Alright, I got more packages in recently. I got I got 2 in today and 1 in yesterday. I ordered these, looks like, I believe about late August, around 26th, somewhere around there in that week. Been getting more and more packages in. It's fairly fast. These look like they're coming from 2 out of the 3 coming from Thailand. Alright, so I believe these are all RC related, so let's open them up. What do we got here? Looks like use these for like LiPo battery sensor wires. These look like the 4-pin, so like 3S LiPo. Use these for wiring up extensions off the LiPo batteries for rock lights and who knows what, whatever I want. Got these for, I don't know, like $3 I think, something like that on Aliexpress. I believe this is the body reamer I got it for a little over $3. Got this fairly fast. I used to have one of these when I was into RC about 20 years ago. Wish I kept all my stuff, but yeah, just a classic body reamer. Plan to do some modifications to my crawler body, putting some other body posts in the rear and the cab. So yeah, I think that will do. It feels like it's got a good edge on it, so that'll be handy. I got that for, like I said, about a little under $4, like $3.89. Found Harbor Freight actually sells a reamer cheaper, but this will be nice because it doesn't have a T handle. Just, you know, you can easily just create holes with it. And this package, I have no idea what it is. Hopefully it is something I actually ordered, not like the last video that was completely random and I couldn't even figure out where it came from. They must have got orders mixed up or something. So, oh, here we go. I tried to match up the tracking number on it and couldn't find it, but these are just M3 nylon lock nuts, but they're black. I have some silver ones I got on Aliexpress also, and I got these for, I believe, like $1 or something like that, maybe less. Yeah, I'll have to check, but I just wanted these for any RC purposes. So just a lot of the black, a lot of the frames are black, and just so they match up nice. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks, bye.